Hello student, I am Jigyasha Prajapati from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Today we are discussing class 3rd Computer Science chapter number 1, Know About Computer. So these are the contents of this chapter: definition of computer, types of computer, parts of computers, characteristics of computer and limitation of computer. So all you have to open your computer science book and open the page number 7. So let's start with definition of computer. A computer is an electronic machine. It always works on human beings' instructions. It saves our time and makes our jobs much simpler. All you have seen computer in your schools, at homes, at banks and offices. We widely use the computer for learning new things, to playing games, for booking and cancellation tickets and etc. The types of computer. In daily life we have mainly 3 types of computer. Desktop. This computer is used on desktop or table in schools, at homes, in offices etc. Our desktop computer is also known as PC, that is referred as personal computer. Next we have laptop computer. It is a small size computer which has a battery that can be recharged by electricity. So it is a small size computer, so you can carry it yourself with anywhere. Next we have handheld computer. They are very small computers that can be held in one's hand. These are also called palm tops, tablets and pocket computer, so you can carry it in your pocket. Next we have part of computer. The major part of computers are monitor, keyboards, system cabinet and mouse. Without these components we can't imagine our computer. So let's start with our first part of computer, monitor. It is an output unit of computer. It is also called a visual display unit, that is stand for VDU. It displays the work that we do on computer. The 2 main type of monitor are CRT monitor, that is stand for cathode ray tube monitor, and next is LCD monitor, that is stand for liquid crystal display monitor, that we are using in present. Our next part is keyboard. A keyboard is an input device of computer. A keyboard has many keys on it. We press keys to enter the data into the computer. This keyboard layout has many keys. This is our keyboard that we are using in our schools, computer labs. All you have seen this keyboard now. Next we have mouse. A mouse is another input device of computer. It has 2 buttons, left button, right button and a scroll wheel. See, this is your mouse which we have left button, right button and this is the scroll wheel. By using the mouse, following actions are performed. First is click, double click action, drag option, right click and scroll. Next part and the major part of computer is system cabinet. It consists of central processing unit, that is stand for CPU, memory unit, that is stand for MU and other parts. The CPU is known as the brain of computer because it processes all the information given by the user. The CPU has 2 parts, the arithmetic and logic unit, that is stand for ALU. It performs all the arithmetic like addition, subtraction, multiplication and logical operations. Next we have control unit, that is stand for CU. It controls all our functions of the computer. Memory unit. Memory unit are 2 there are two types of memory in the system cabinet, primary memory and the secondary memory. Primary memory is mainly used to store the data in the computer for the short period of time. The RAM, that is stand for random access memory, and ROM, that is stand for read only memory, is called the primary memory of the computer. Secondary memory, the hard disk is called the secondary memory. It is the necessary, or we can say compulsory component of the computer because it stores the data permanently. Some more examples of secondary memories are pen drive, CD and DVD. Is the necessary component of the computer. Hard disk in computer store large amount of data and store permanently until we delete it or erase it. Some more examples of secondary memory are pen drive, CD and DVD. Now the characteristics of a computer is speed. The speed of computer is very fast. It performs billions of instructions in a few seconds. The storage, as we have discussed, hard disks store a large number of data in the computer. Accuracy, the results of computers are always accurate. It never makes mistakes. Next, versatility. Versatility, it means computer is a multi-purpose machine. It does various tasks at the same time, like you can perform game on the laptop or computer while you are listening the music. Next we have diligence. Computer can work for a very long time without getting tired. So now we have to focus on the limitations of the computer. Computer can take decision on its own because computer is a machine. Next, it does not have any feelings like human being. Again, because it is a machine, it can't have feelings like a human beings. Next, if you give a wrong information to the computer, then you will get wrong output. This is called garbage in, garbage out. That is GIGO. So, this is all about your chapter. Let's discuss the book exercise. In the first exercise, we have to solve take the correct one. In this question, you have to choose the correct answer for the question and write the tick mark like this. Our first question is, who is called the father of computer? The options are Charlie Chaplin, next Charles Babbage, and last John Napier. Then who is the father of computer? The answer is Charles Babbage. So you have to put a correct tick here in front of Charles Babbage. Next question is, which cannot be carried from one place to another easily? So options are palm top. Palm top are the small size computers, so you can carry it with yourself very easily. Laptop is also a small size computer, so you can carry it easily. Then we have desktop. Desktop is not a small size computer, so you can't move it from one place to another place easily. So your answer is desktop. So put right tick here. Next question is, which of the following is a secondary storage? Options are RAM. We all know RAM is your primary storage or primary memory. Next option is hard disk. We know hard disk is your secondary storage, and ROM. ROM is again your primary storage. So your answer is hard disk. So put right tick here in front of hard disk. Next, fill in the blanks. You have to fill in the blanks among these options. Our first flip is A dash has a battery. Which device has a battery that can be recharged from the electricity? That is laptop. A laptop has a battery. Next, the dash is also known as visual display unit. We have discussed which device is known as visual display unit, that is monitor. Next, A keyboard has dash keys. All you have seen the keyboard now. This keyboard has many keys. Okay, so your answer is many. Next, the dash performs all the arithmetical and logical calculation. We all know ALU, that is stand for arithmetical and logic unit, is used to perform all the arithmetical and logical calculations. So, your answer is ALU. Last, a computer can perform dash of instruction in a few seconds. In the characteristics we have studied now that computer can perform billions of instruction in a few seconds because it has very fast speed. So, your answer is billions. Next, write T for the true and F for the false statement. These are the some statement. If they are true, then you have to write capital T in front of that statement. If these are false, then you have to write capital F in front of this statement. Our first statement is a laptop battery is recharged by electricity. We all know laptop is a small size computer. So, laptop has a battery which can be recharged by electricity. So, it is true. So, you have to write here capital T. Next, RAM stores data that cannot be accessed and altered. But we know RAM is the primary memory and the data stored in the RAM that can be used by us and changed by us. So, it is false. So, you have to write capital F here. Next, computers have feelings like human beings. We all know computer is a machine, so it can't have the feelings like the human being. So, it is false. So, you have to write capital F here. Next, a computer can work for long time without losing its performance. We all know computer is very diligent machine. So, it can work for long time without losing its performance or without getting tired. So, it is true. So, you have to write capital T here. Next, the handheld computers are small in size. We all know the handheld computer you can hold in your hands. So, it is small in size. So, it is true. So, you have to write capital T here. Okay. Next, we have match the followings. Match the following columns. We have two columns, column A and column B. First is soft copy output. In which device we can see the soft copy output? The option is monitor. The monitor displays the output that is known as soft copy output. To enter the instruction, our next question is to enter the instruction. To enter the instruction, which device we have to use? We have to use keyboard. Okay. Next, for clicking and dragging. For clicking and dragging, we have to use mouse because drag and click are the action that are performed by only mouse. So, correct option is mouse. Next, primary memory. Primary memory have two types, RAM and ROM. So, the correct option is RAM. Last, secondary storage. We discussed that examples of the secondary storage are pen drive, CD and DVD. So, the correct option is CD. So, this is all about your chapter, know about your computer. Thank you. Have a nice day.